Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the liftgate, also known as tailgate, is located. You may have up to 3 fuses, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered in this video today, especially for you. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see, like the JK's fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the tailgate fuse, guys, okay, you have up to 3 fuses. We'll demonstrate here on a 2015 Honda Odyssey. You guys have, by the way, 5 different fuse boxes. If you want to check all about that, we have a special video about the fuse boxes, but we need to find the fuse box that's by the 3rd row, the 3rd seat right here in the trunk. If you open the lift gate right there, you're going to have one cover, guys, that when you remove that cover right here by the 3rd row, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. Now here you may need to check up to 3 fuses. Depending on the options, you may have some, you may not. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, why, okay, where the fuses are located. First, we need to find fuse number 1. So if you come right here, the one on the very left side here, okay, we're talking about that fuse. That's fuse number 1, 20 amp fuse. You may have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4, some of you may have this one as well, 1 and 4, and then you have one more, guys. We're talking about fuse number 14 right here. That's fuse number 14. You need to check that 40 amp fuse. Those are for the lift gate. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.